If you think juicy chicken tikka kebab is only possible with a tandoor, today's recipe will surprise you. With just a pan and a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy restaurant-style kebabs at home. Welcome back to Innovin Foods. So let's start the recipe. Into 500 grams of chicken, add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Tandoori masala powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon beaten curd, and 1 tablespoon oil. Yogurt in the marinade adds probiotics which are great for gut health. Mix everything well and keep aside for 30 minutes. Did you know kebabs date back over 1,000 years to Persian and Turkish cuisine? The word tikka actually means pieces or bits in Persian. Chicken breast is a lean protein that helps build muscle and keeps you full. Marinate the chicken longer, even overnight, for deeper flavors. Meanwhile, soak shashlik sticks in water. Once ready, thread the marinated chicken pieces into the stick. Always soak wooden stick in water so they don't burn while cooking. Traditionally, chicken tikka is made in clay ovens, but a grill pan gives almost the same smoky flavor. This dish is one of the most popular items ordered in Indian restaurants worldwide. The spices like turmeric and cumin aid digestion and boost immunity. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a grill pan. Place the sticks. Keep the heat medium-low, that way the chicken cooks inside without burning outside. And cook on medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is golden smoky and perfectly cooked. Brush with a little butter at the end for extra juiciness and flavor. Cooking without deep frying makes this dish healthier and lighter. And here it is, smoky, juicy chicken tikka kebabs without a tandoor, perfect as a starter, party snack, or even wrapped in a roti roll. If you haven't tried this version yet, do it today, you will be amazed. Thanks for watching Innovin Foods. Which kebab is your all-time favorite, chicken, beef, or fish? If you love smoky flavors, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Save this recipe and try it at home. I would love to hear your feedback.